Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of registering for a Brighthouse Financial account. Follow these simple instructions to set up your account and gain access to a range of financial services and tools. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the Brighthouse Financial website. Open your web browser and go to the official Brighthouse Financial website. Ensure that you are on the correct site to avoid any phishing or security issues. Step 2. Locate the registration link. On the homepage, look for a link or button that says Register or Sign Up. This is usually found in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the registration page. Step 3. Fill out your personal information. You will be prompted to enter your personal information. This typically includes your full name, date of birth, social security number, or other identification, and contact information. Make sure to enter your information accurately to avoid any issues later. Step 4. Create a username and password. Next, you will need to create a username and password for your account. Choose a password that meets the security criteria, which usually includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Ensure that your password is memorable but secure. Step 5. Provide additional information. Depending on Brighthouse Financial's requirements, you may need to provide additional information such as your address, employment details, and financial information. Fill out all required fields as accurately as possible. Step 6. Agree to terms and conditions. Before you can complete your registration, you will need to read and agree to Brighthouse Financial's terms and conditions. Make sure you understand these terms and check the box indicating your agreement. Step 7. Verify your identity for security purposes. You may be required to verify your identity. This could involve answering security questions or receiving a verification code via email or SMS. Follow the instructions provided to complete this step. Step 8. Finalize your registration. Once you have verified your identity, review all the information you have entered to ensure it is correct. Click on the Submit button to finalize your registration for your Brighthouse Financial account. Step 9. Log in to your account. After successfully registering, return to the Brighthouse Financial homepage and click the Login button. Enter your newly created username and password to access your account. Step 10. Explore your account. Once logged in, take some time to familiarize yourself with the features and tools available in your account. You can manage your policies, make payments, and access various financial services. Remember to keep your login information secure and log out of your account when finished, especially if you're using a shared device. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.